I think we've created an exchange, we've created clearinghouses, we make sure that these guys have to buy their chips before they can gamble.
Listen, we have to deal with reality. If you exempt foreign and you exempt end users, you may have created an exchange, sir, but it is not an exchange upon which any bank that does meaningful business will ever trade these products, and as a result, there will be no transparency, and as a result, no ability to evaluate systemic risk.
No, Dylan, you and I disagree. The end user piece was clear, came through our committee. We tried to exempt out, the Southwest Airlines, the different guys that are buying and hedging against
the reason you wanted to do that. I mean, I understand even by doing that, you're still allowing the buyer, whether it's Southwest Airlines or the heating oil company in Maine, to ride on the back of the taxpayer to buy crooked insurance from the bank on the cost of their fuel. Why is it okay for Southwest Airlines to get cheaper fuel on the back of fraudulent insurance bought from a bank that's subsidized by the taxpayer?
No, but we're making the insurance companies and the traders that are in the middle of this thing have to post funds and clear. So those guys that are actually doing this on a day-to-day basis, they have to put their money up. They can't do it like we did before, where AIG was doing these insurance policies with nothing to back it. So we changed that dramatically. So I disagree with you on that point. Now, there may be things that we should tighten up on end users or on the foreign swaps, and that can happen over on the Senate side. But we passed a very strong bill that has consumer protection, investor protection, hedge funds. So I think we've got something that's as good as anything since the New Deal.
Where do we stand on our need for a windfall profits tax so that we don't allow the windfall state support that was provided to the banks last year to yield to them the greatest profits ever yielded to any industry, particularly the banking industry in this context? England is doing it, France has done it. I think even Greece yesterday came out with a 90% one. I know Greece, what do they know? But where do we stand with the windfall profits tax?
Well, I and several others have proposed a transaction fee, so 0.25%.
That doesn't make any sense. That has nothing to do with it. I just asked you a question. The U.S. taxpayer provided trillions of dollars in state support to the banking industry. You know this, and as a result, the banking industry